Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will be learning how to implement ChatDev. So to access the ChatDev repo, here's the URL github.com open bmb ChatDev. Before this we need to install the Anaconda. To install the Anaconda you need to get to the website anaconda.com and click here on the free download. So it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it. Its size is almost about 800 plus MB, so I don't need to re-download it. I have already installed it. So let's get back to the repo. So we will be using the quick start of ChatDev and get started from here. First of all, we will clone this repo. So I will open a CMD and run the git command. Okay, yeah. First of all, I will create a new directory here with the name of ChatDev and change my directory to ChatDev. Okay, I am now in ChatDev. Now I will run the command git clone and I will paste the link to the ChatDev repo. Sorry guys, I have replaced. Okay, I have typed git clone for 2 times. It was just an error. Okay, now it's getting cloned. So what are we going to do next? Let me close this. We will press the start button and type Anaconda. This will prompt Anaconda. I will click it and open it. So basically it will be open as a base. We need to create a Python environment here. To create a Python environment, we will get back to the repo. Here is a command conda create -n. -n stands for the name, and we will name our project whatever we want, and the Python we are using that, and y is just for agreeing to all the conditions the conda is going to be asked. Okay, so here I'm going to just paste this command, but the name I will just name it to ChatDev. Okay, I will just name it to ChatDev and press enter. Once the environment created, we will activate the conda and get to the environment. It will take some time. We will wait for it to configure it completely. Let me make the screen full. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, I will be pausing the video here. Once the installation completed, I will restart the video from here. So guys, our installation has been done and we are going to activate our conda environment. To activate, we need to run the command conda activate, and what's our environment name? We will type that. Okay, it's activated. Now we are in conda ChatDev environment. Here, first of all, it was in a base. Now we are in ChatDev environment. Okay guys, here's my API key. I have already created it, but the thing is, its usage is really limited for now. It's only providing me 5 USD for the current account. You can see that. Once I uploaded the video and completed the progress, I will delete this API key in terms that you people don't violate my private space. Okay, so here's the thing to, okay, I will get back there. I have my API key here, so I will copy this. This is my API key. I will replace it with the current string, your OpenAI key. Here I will paste my own key, and then I will copy this whole command. Okay, then I will get to ChatDev environment. In ChatDev directory, I will paste this command and press enter. Okay, it's giving me the error. The file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect. So let me again check the docs. What does it say? cd chat pip install. Okay, I have done this. Let me remove the commas. Now let me copy again the environment variable, and let's again try once more time. I don't know, some sort of error. Let me figure it out. What's the error has been caused by? OpenAI environment variable. Okay, I'm doing it completely right, but why does it giving me error? Okay guys, here we are back. So I have figured out how to set the environment variable. We just need the set command. If we want to set like environment variable ABC, and I want to assign my own name, SUBAIB. Okay, when I press enter, it will be set. Okay, so to print it off, I will run the command echo, and in $&, I will type the variable name I have used. Okay, so in that way I have created our API key. So let me show you the API key. For the time being, yes, I will copy the variable name from here. Okay, so here's our variable name, and let's see. So here is our API key. Okay guys, our environment variable has been set. So now let's run the command. Okay, here I will copy this and get to the Anaconda. Here I will paste it. Okay, now I will go to the text pad. Okay, I will copy the same prompt that was used by Sarcasm, and I will use it here as it is, and then I will copy the name of the project. Okay, here I will name it as first AI app. Okay, I will create the app with this name. So let's enter hit and check it if it's going to work or not. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Okay, it has started doing something. So here I will pause the recording to save the time. Once it's done, I will resume the recording. So as you can see, it's doing something. It's changing the terminal. The screen in terminal is constantly changing. So I'm stopping the recording here. Okay, once it's done, I will resume the recording. So guys, here we are back again. Let's see what it have done. So okay, it's a long process it has performed. Okay, so here's the whole process it has done so far. Okay, I thought I skipped it a bit too fast. So okay, here it gets us the software info. Okay, post info, everything. It's process, please. Okay, so now our software has been created. Let's go to warehouse and run the command dir to check the directory. Okay, so we name our project to be our AI app. Okay, there are 2-1. So I believe this is this one because it has some. Okay, it's the log file. The other one is cd or AI. Okay, so dir. Okay, so we have everything set up. Okay, let me get back to Explorer here. It didn't create our application as we wanted it. Did I name it correct? Let me check here what I named our application. First API. Okay, I was looking for the wrong app. Okay, so it's named by first API. So let's get back to Explorer. Okay, warehouse first. Okay, here is our cd. Let's get back. cd first API AI app, sorry, first AI app. Here's our app. Let's run the dir command again. So here is our application. As far as we are going to open the Explorer again. Okay, the Explorer we have open again. So now we have to put the HTML file inside I forgot what the folder name. Okay, let me run the application. So to run the application we need to python run py, and that's the command with us. So I will, okay, no, not this command. Okay, this is the command. Okay, python main.py. So we are using Python, so we have to run this command. Okay, so here we are in the same app. Okay, our server has been started. Let's check how much does it conserve our free trial of API that has been provided to us. Okay, 0.07, it has used 0.07 USD for now. Okay, that's good. Let's open this URL. Let's copy it and that's a new tab. Open this URL. Okay, okay, so we have to put the, I forgot the folder name, templates. I think it's a templates. So here we have to create a new folder by the name of templates and drag and drop the index.html here. Okay, we have done so far. Now we need to close the application again here. Come on. Why it's not closing the application? Okay, it has closed the application. Now we need to run the command python main.py again. Okay, so it has run the application. Now to close the application we just need to press the Ctrl C. I was pressing it but it wasn't working now. Okay, so here is our, let's add an entry. Okay, age 29, education, software engineering. Okay, that's enough. Let's submit. Okay, so the same error, there is no database, so database hasn't been configured by the application in the correct manner. So we do have the database file, but it isn't configured the correct way. So basically that's the way to create an application. Okay, I will close this application. Okay, again I am pressing Ctrl C. It's not working again. Okay, so let's get back to the warehouse and run some another application, dir. So there are different types of application. So let's run this one, digital clock. So I will run this one, digital clock. Okay, the command we have is python.main.py. Okay, so here is our digital clock. So that's how we can run an application. So it's depend upon our prompt. Basically there was some error in our prompt that might be doing something wrong and it didn't create a database file. Here is the database file but it's not working. I don't know, might be I have done some error in writing the database. I have done some error in writing the prompt. So this is how you use chat dev in the Python to create your application. I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, assalamu alaikum.